We're going to talk about mango butter. I like using mango butter in my deodorants. I like using mango butter in my body care products in general. I like using mango butter in a lot of things. So I want to talk to you about mango butter and also the awesome effects of mangoes. And hopefully you think about getting something like that. Who knows? All right, so this shouldn't be a big shocker to you, but mango butter actually comes from the gigantic husk in the middle, the big seed. It's pressed and it's cold pressed and just ground down until it gets like this nice buttery consistency that you can apply to your skin and look as beautiful as I do. So the next time you're eating a mango and you see that big seed, if you want to try making mango butter, give it a shot. I've never tried making it that way at all because I'm not good at that kind of stuff. But if that's something you're into, give it a shot. See how you like it. Yeah. Oh, another thing about the actual seed itself is you can actually plant it. Shocker. And grow a mango tree. So if you have a nice green thumb and you live in a nice tropical area, give it a shot. See what happens. If it works out, I would like for you to mail me some mangoes. You can find out my address is below if you want to mail it to me. If you want to mail me anything, really. Yeah, anything. That'd be cool. I'd appreciate that. So because mango butter is a natural compound, it's a fruit. It's like the butter of a fruit. It absorbs into your skin naturally because your body's meant to absorb these kind of things. You're meant to eat real things, so it's easy for you to absorb it into your skin. I don't know if you've ever used that Queen Helen's cocoa butter lotion, but it doesn't absorb into the skin. It just sits there and you just keep rubbing it, and it's just there all day because the stuff's fake. Again, don't tell her I said that. I don't want that beef. I'm just saying, if it's artificial in any way, shape, or form, your body does not want to accept it. If you don't really understand that, think about surgeries when they have complications with surgeries, when they put a different organ from somebody else's body into somebody else's body, and then the body they put the organ into rejects that organ because it's not an original organ. We don't match up, so they kick it out, and it's that's your body. It's just got it? Okay, good. So mango butter also has this really cool cooling effect. It does a great job of helping relieve the pain from sunburn. So if you have been sunburned or you plan on being sunburned for some odd reason, try using a product that has mango butter in it because that nice cooling effect does an amazing job of relieving that pain. Like I said, I've had sunburn before, but when I got sunburned, I didn't have any mango butter on me, and I was just it hurt. I was flaking, I was peeling, and I was just my back was just eternally ashy. So give a shot, use some mango butter for that type of environment if you're going to be in it. Okay? Cool. Now, this shouldn't be a shocker to you, but mango butter has the exact same properties as eating a mango. So like I said, I think 2 videos ago or a video ago, some point in time, I said your body absorbs 60% of what you put on top of your skin. So the high vitamin C content in mango butter gets absorbed into the skin, which does an amazing job of plumping up your skin and make you look younger. So again, if you've ever wondered why I look so good, it's because I use Gold products. Gold products do an amazing job of doing what? Making me look great and fantastic. Say it with me again. Gold products do a great job of making me look what? Great and fantastic. Yes, which increases my what? Confidence, yes, which increases my what? Ability to close major deals in Fortune 500 companies. Then I can do what? Have a Fortune 100 company. Yes, you are correct. You can do anything you want with Gold. How was that? Was that a good little plug thing? Okay, cool. Thanks. Okay, so also eating mangoes does a great job of stopping your eyes from degrading. There's a part in your eye that will start to degrade over time with old age, but eating mangoes and the vitamin content inside of mangoes actually combats that and stops that degradation of your eyes losing their vision and stuff. So if you are a Mangekyou Sharingan user and you're trying to figure out how not to lose, is that a plane? These planes. Anyway, if you have a Mangekyou Sharingan and you have not taken the eye from your brother or your sister and you're trying to figure out how not to lose the light in your eye, try eating some mangoes. Itachi didn't do it that way, and well, you saw what happened to him, right? Just saying. If you found any value in this video at all, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you're watching this on IGTV, make sure you follow me on the Instagram. If you're watching on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe because I'm trying to do great things here, and sometimes I get down on myself, but I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling good right now. So, thanks for the help. See ya.